Hello friends, welcome to day one of Yoga Connection. Today's focus is just connecting to new beginnings, starting again and realizing that we can choose how we want to show up. Over the next 30 days, we're going to go really deep into different life lessons every single day about how we can reconnect to ourselves. That's really the whole theme of this Yoga Connection. As I've been studying philosophy and yoga, I've really tried to figure out how to get in touch with myself, and I finally realized that a lot of the things I've been looking for are already within myself. So this is to teach you how to reconnect to those parts of yourself versus trying to look outside. So first off, I'm really proud of you for being here because showing up is typically the hardest part. You've made it, you arrived, and you've committed to spending 30 days of self-care. So pat yourself on the back for that and take a moment to really let that sink in. I just want to give you a heads up for a couple things to prepare for the next 30 days. First off, throughout every practice, every pose that we do will have different kinds of modifications. So if this is your first yoga class or if you've been doing lots of yoga before, each pose will be broken down, and what I call these are bus stops. I had a teacher, Christina Sell, explain bus stops to me, and I really liked the concept. So bus stop number 1 will be one option, number 2 will be another option, and number 3 will be the third option. So you can kind of pick and choose which pose you want to do. Throughout the practice, we'll also use different kinds of props. Often we'll use yoga blocks or a bolster, even a blanket or a strap. But know that you don't have to buy these. If you don't have yoga blocks, sometimes I just use a water bottle or 2. If you don't have a bolster, you can use like a couch cushion or a couple of blankets. Any old blanket will work when we do use blankets. And the yoga strap, it's a long strap. You can use a scarf or a t-shirt for that. So don't think that you have to buy anything. If you don't even have a yoga mat, that's okay. You can put a towel down, or you can also just do it on the floor, just making sure to take your socks off so you don't slide at all. Also know that you can wear whatever you want. You have the luxury of being in your own home, so just wearing whatever's comfortable and that you feel really cozy in so that your body can move without any restraints. Finally, know that this is a 30-day series, but you don't have to do it just in 30 days. Don't let time constraints hold you back. If you need to take a day or 2 off, don't stop. Just come back and either meet us where we are or take some time and just start wherever you left off. Also know that if you've never done yoga before, I have created a video of just basic yoga poses that you'll see in a lot of my classes, and you can get that from the link below. And that is a really, really simple, just like 10-15 minute practice of how you can just ease into yoga. Also, if there's ever a day that feels a little too tough, or if you're really low energy and you want a shorter, easier practice, you can always do that video instead. So to set our intentions for new beginnings, find a comfortable seat and we'll settle in just for a brief moment. Closing the eyes, letting the hands rest either on the knees or the right hand over the left in this lap. So we've arrived, we've made it. Whether you have a lot of goals for the next 30 days or one specific intention, take a moment to call that to mind. If you haven't set an intention for the 30 days, this is a really great opportunity to set one. Maybe it's wanting just to start yoga. It could be really zoning in on your self-care practices. Again, setting the intention of anything you want to focus on. We'll take 3 breaths here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Last time, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out the mouth. Last time, inhaling through the nose. And this time, exhaling out the nose. Taking a few more breaths like that, in and out of the nose. Bringing the hands together in front of your heart, sealing in that intention for the next 30 days. And in yoga, to acknowledge one another, we say namaste, which means that the light within me sees and acknowledges the light within you. So namaste. Well, that's the beginning of day one. We'll get into a deeper physical practice tomorrow. If you are feeling like moving again, you can use that video that I mentioned below. Also know that we really want to create a community around this yoga connection. So we've used the hashtag yoga connection. You can use that on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter to see who else is practicing all over the world. Also know that along with this 30 days, I will be sending you a newsletter every single day with different journaling options or even daily lessons that are aligned with the class. And know that if you do want to post about those, you can tag us at YOGATX or myself at EmilyHenderson_yoga on Facebook or Instagram. So again, I'm so happy that you've showed up, that you've committed to these 30 days, and I can't wait to see you on the mat tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day and take care.